Welcome back. So we doing a video on the Queen palette, the FUMI times Juvia's Place collection. Yes, your girl made it to PR. So before we get into that, we're gonna start with the brows. I love the Precisely My Brow pencil. This is in the shade 4, but I actually like 5. I just use what I got, honey. So yes. All of the brushes that I used will be in the video and the description, so I'm not going to go really too deep into the product. We want to get into the eyeshadow. You feel me? Or do you not feel me? And I like to use foundation to clean up the top of my brows. It makes it more natural. Yeah. So let's get into this palette, y'all. So first we started with that Oli shade. It's a bright red. Well, actually, it's not a bright red. It's more of a deeper red. And then I blend that out with Sister to Sister. Cut that good old crease with my same concealer I use on my face. And then we're going to use that nice copper color. It's called Glam. And blend that out with the red. And then we just tap right into that Line Me eyeliner from the crayon case. I love it. So in case you guys know or don't know, I have a lash line. It's coming back. Y'all see these lashes though? So I just used a nude primer at the bottom to make that red pop. And that's all you guys are going to see. This video is very self-explanatory, but you know, I got to do a good old voiceover because y'all be really wanting to know still. Like, I could show y'all and y'all still ask, you know? So I just wanted to just do a nice voiceover and you guys get the drift. I like to use beauty blenders to blend out my concealer. Some people use brushes. I like a beauty blender. Yo, my matchstick from Fenty is done. I have to use a brush to scrape out the rest of it. But that's how good it is that I'm like, I want to use all of it. Like all of it, all of it. Yes. So this brush is so new to me, but yo, it's so good for the nose. Like, James Charles, you knew what you was doing when you came up with that brush set, okay? Okay. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna bake this face, honey. Baking is such a necessity when you want to snatch your face. And, you know, blend it out properly, of course. And yeah, so I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure y'all cop this palette. It's $15. You feel me? 15. You can't go wrong with that. You can't go wrong with that. And that's I had to bring back the little ombre lip. I've been doing nude lips, like a nude lip combo so long that I'm like, yo, I forgot I even have lipsticks. So yeah, y'all, I just had to bring it on back. Thanks for watching.